Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my living room makeover. So if you didn't know already, I moved recently to LA and I have been doing like my whole apartment, and it's been such a process, but it's also been super duper fun. So I already did kind of like my bedroom, but now I'm going to be doing the living room. So let me show you guys like the before of this so you guys can see kind of like a before and an after. Okay, so this is like my living room area. That is gonna be the couch, that's the rug, and then that's the coffee table. Let's build it. So I'm technically done, but I honestly did not like how the rug turned out. It was like too yellow for my liking. In the picture it looked whiter just because I wanted more like a white rug. So I was a little disappointed about that. So I'm gonna have to return that, just see the returns for like that rug and return it, just because yeah, I was just like not satisfied with it. But so far I am really happy with my couch and my coffee table. So let me flip the camera around. Okay, this is how it looks so far, and I am gonna have to pick it up from there. So I'm gonna go to IKEA, I'm gonna get a new rug, and then I'm gonna pick up the vlog. So I'm gonna see you like a different day. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I will do it. And when I do go to IKEA and get all the stuff, then I will pick up this video again. So I will see you when I do that. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so basically I went to IKEA after work today and I ended up getting some supplies for just like decor for the living room. So I actually ended up getting some, here, I'll just show you. It's this like, what is this even called? Just like what you just like put your frames in, kind of just like a bookshelf, like a long bookshelf, I guess. And then I ended up getting this like gold frame, and I got 3 of them, and one of them is like a different size just because I wanted one to look a little bit different. And then I also got these like really cute flower frames, and I don't know, I just think it's like cute, and with the gold frame I think it'll look really good. And then I also got some plants to like put on like the bookshelf thingy, so that is really good. What else did I get? Is that it? I think that is it. Oh no, I got 2 white cushions for the couch, so I'm gonna put that on and hopefully I like it. I'm a little scared that I'm not gonna like it, just because I feel that I'm kind of picky with like home decor and just like making sure that everything flows. So I'm a little scared, but hopefully it looks good. I think it will, but let's hope for the best. Okay, so this is what it finally looks like with all the decorations up and the new cushions or pillows or whatever, and I love it so much. I think it's so nice. I love the gold detail because that is something I'm doing in my apartment. So as you can see that there's like 3 different flower designs, and then I absolutely love just like the gold frame. I think that's such a good touch just because I feel like it would look so different if it was like white or black. I just absolutely love the gold. And then we have little succulents, and they are fake, but they are just so cute. So I have 2 on that side and then 1 on this side. And then here is my couch, which I have 2 cushions, which I absolutely love. I think it just adds a good pop of color just because the couch is gray, so just adding white just really ties it in, I feel like. And then I love my pink throwover and also like my gold, so I feel like this is just like all the colors in my apartment, so it definitely ties everything together, which I absolutely love. And then I have my beautiful coffee table, which is so cute. I actually got this at Wayfair, and I love it because it also has like the gold aesthetic, which again I'm trying to go for. So I love the gold legs, and then I love the quote-unquote marble because it's not actually marble, it's actually like fake marble, but you know, it was cheap, so whatever. And then I have this really nice succulent plant, and again, the gold aesthetic. And then I have this little candle, which I believe I got as a present. And let me focus in. There we go. So I got this candle as a present, and it smells really good. And then I also have this coaster, which again has the gold aesthetic, which I love. And then I have my planner, which this is the one I designed, so really nice. And this is like my first version, so I'm not going to be using that, so might as well just use it as aesthetic. And then I have this book that I actually bought a long time ago, but it actually just works as decorations, so I love using books as decorations. I think it looks so good. So yeah, that is kind of like my finished product for the living room. I might add like plants on the side, so we'll see. And then also I want to make this look nicer because right now it just has like not like the nicest things. And then there's like a mess back here, just like all the Wi-Fi stuff, which is not nice, but I really don't know where to put it. Like it does not fit like back there, so I really don't know where to put it, but I'll figure it out. And then I also need to get some curtains because I currently just have this one. So that is what I have so far, and stay tuned for my final apartment tour that is probably gonna come pretty soon. I just need to finish some pieces in my bedroom and then also a few touches here, so stay tuned for that. But currently I'm so happy with how it's looking so far. So yeah, that is my living room makeover. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.